What up, guys? It's TWB. We're back with another video. We're going to be checking out the new PS5 breakdown, the gadgets, the insides, the out. What we are going to be What are we going to be expecting from the PS5?
Guts and organs, baby. Guts and organs.
Facts. Ready to check it out, man. Comes out next month on the
12th. November 12th, man. It's going down. I don't too much care about Xbox, but Xbox, y'all come in here and get a little bit of love too, but it's all about that P5 right now. You feel me?
Facts.
Everybody in here is PlayStation. You know, Xbox, y'all might get in, y'all might not. We don't know yet. In the meantime and in between time, though, we finna get into this PS5 Teardown. Let's do it.
I'm waiting like, all right.
Okay, here we go. We live.
PlayStation 5 です。
What do you say?
サイズは104ミリ、
I'm not trying
高
to.
さ390ミリ、奥行き260ミリと PS4 より一回り大き
Is this in Chinese or
処理
something?
能力や静音性の面で飛躍的な性能向上を実現しました。
Bro, this dude not speaking a lick of English, bro.
フロント側には USB Type-C ポートとハイスピード USB タイプ
Do
の
we continue to watch this? Or no?
リア側には
Oh my
I'm
god.
trying to expand my languages.
FA ポー
Hold
トを
on,
2つ
bro. Do we got any
ア
type
ポー
of...
ト
Okay, there we can deal with that.
電源端子を搭載
I
してい
do
ま
not
す。
see it though.
We gotta redo that then.
フロント側の2列が吸気口
You
です
sure?
Yeah, we do.
Keep it spinning.
リア側は全て排気口になります。
Do they got
ベー
an
スを
English
外しま
version?
す。
Do they got an
手
English
を受け
version?
るときは追いネジで固定されています。
I thought this was the English version. It was written in English. Yeah, that's messed up.
So you can take that off then?
Yeah. Because you can stand the vertical or you can lay it
下ネジ
down.
はスタンドの中に収納が
That's
あります。
straight.
Oh, you could store the screws in the base. That's fire.
このキャップを固定していきます。
What the hell is that? Oh, the
ここを
plug.
切りするときはベースを回転させてください。
Bro, look at PlayStation,
この
man.
マークに合わせて
PlayStation is
ベースを
fire right
差し込
now.
んでください。
Yeah, 'cause that's how you lay it on the side. Yeah.
Mhm.
Damn. Look at that pretty motherfucker. Right
I'm gonna
there.
want it standing up though.
Yeah, I probably too.
I like the stand up version.
両側の白いパ
You
ネル
give
は
me like
お客様自身で取り外しが可能です。
3?
後ろの角を持ち上げてスライドすると
You really have to pull this mug apart though.
Yes, sir. Easy disassemble. That's very
And that
important.
way, that's easy if your fan dirty.
Yeah.
Yeah, get all that lint and stuff out of there. Yeah.
ここに冷却用のファンが内蔵されています。
Cooling fan.
両側から大量の空気を吸い込みます。PS5 では2箇所に
Two
Let's
dust
look at
catchers.
Joe Wilkins.
Okay, so you ain't really gotta.
ダストキャッチャーに溜まったホコリはこの2箇所の穴から
Can be
掃除機で
vacuumed
清
out.
潔することが可能です。
That's smart.
That's fire.
Like, literally
将来の拡張ストレージ用として
Oh, you can expand it yourself?
PCIe 4.0に対応したエグゾット2インター
You
フェー
should
ス
have
を
said
搭載
that.
してい
Bro,
ます。
what? I put like 10 terabytes in my shit, bro.
It's
ここから
in.
プレイステーション5を分解していきます。
And it's a PCIe slot too?
I'm taking all of it out.
I'm about to bookmark this mug. I need to tear my shit down. Probably like 10,000 pieces in this motherfucker.
ファンを取り外します。
So I wonder if you can get like one of them custom RGB fans just to make it look a little
計
different.
120
you know?
You probably, I wouldn't be surprised if somebody figured out how to do it.
搭載しています。
It's probably gonna be a service that open up and, you know, let people do that.
If anybody come up with that idea, just know you heard it here first. Mine, I need like 50%.
Facts.
Damn, I would
ウルトラ HD
somebody make like a clear case for it. Just have everything RGB inside of that mug.
ライブユニットは板金ケースで完全に覆い、
Even if you can't, I'll buy some lights and just wrap that bitch.
世界電池
I'll wrap that motherfucker like, oh, this lights are what? The Blu-ray player,
Bluetooth
Probably like
5.1の
three
アン
point
テナをつながるケーブルを
Wi-Fi antenna, okay. It just got real. Some motherboard right there, yes.
People gonna be tweaking the mess out of that joke.
This is the blueprint to do it right here. I mean, he broke it down. I didn't know it was gonna be broken down like this. Like this is.
CPU は8コア16スレッドで最大 3.5GHz で駆動します。
That's not bad.
CPU は最大 2.23GHz で駆動し、10.3TB のストレージを実現します。
That's the same when I got my PC.
メモリーは GDDR6 を8個搭載し、ハンド幅は最大で毎秒 448GB です。
So I wonder if you can change those. Oh, it comes with 16 gigs RAM.
ストレージは HDD に代わり 825GB の SSD をオンボードで実装しています。
SSD, thank you, Lord.
カスタムの SSD コントローラーにより、読み込み速度は生データの転送速度で毎秒 5.5GB と高速化され、ゲームのロード時間を大幅に短縮しています。 PS5 の SoC は小型の台を非常に高いクロックで動作させています。このため、シリコン台の列密度が非常に高くなり、SoC とヒートシンクの間に挟むティグと呼ばれる熱伝導材の大幅な性能アップが必要でした。 PS5 では長期で安定した高い冷却性能を実現するため、このティグに液体金属を採用しました。我々は2年以上前からこの液体金属を採用するための準備をしていました。考えうるありとあらゆる試験を実施し、採用に至っています。
That boy probably make no noise either.
No, it's probably quiet as hell.
PS3 や PS4 と同じくヒートパイプを使っていますが、形状やエアフローの工夫によりペーパージャンパーと同等の性能を実現しました。
So you had no overheating issue
これが定格
whatsoever.
350W の電源ユニットです。
50 watt power supply.
これがプレイステーション5の全部です。
Crazy. I may put it all in that order though and made it look all nice.
Hey, that's dope, man. Bro, people gonna be out here customizing the mess out of their junk, bro.
I can't wait to see. Like, I feel like because it's white, you asking for an artist to just real quick, just give me something dope.
That's
Real quick, don't fuck my shit up, but just give me something dope.
Just take the case off. You ain't even gotta give them the whole thing.
That's
Facts.
facts.
That's a fact.
Facts. I definitely want to put a bigger hard drive though. 825. I feel like with the size that games are now, that's gonna be good for like 6 games. But then again, how big are these PS5 games gonna be? I feel like Spider-Man gonna be like 200 by itself.
Shit, right now, Call of Duty is 3 on my PS4.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah,
that's
'cause
ridiculous, bro.
it's
It's
like-
like gigs from one game.
It's like 4 different updates, and each update is like an average of 5 gigs or more.
That's terrible.
That's just crazy.
That's
You
terrible.
need at least like
You need like 4 terabytes. 4 terabytes.
probably like 5 terabytes. I'll be
Yeah.
straight.
Yeah, be comfortable with that, man.
And it's M.2 too.
I can't wait, man. Listen, when they drop, it's gonna be hell on earth, and I don't know if it's gonna be Black Friday this year or not.
Yeah, they're saying they might not have Black Friday this
I know Walmart gonna be closed.
year. Yeah, Walmart. There's a lot of stores that's gonna be closed on Black Friday. So
I don't know how they gonna get it. It's just gonna be bananas, man.
So they said you better get your food the day before because you know it's gonna open up.
Oh yeah.
It might change, but that's what I heard. Like
I don't know.
earlier
You
in the
can't
year.
have that many people in the store at
At
one
once,
time.
yeah.
So it's like,
There's gonna be hell outside. People trying to get in line and shit.
oh, you're gonna be waiting the average maybe.
I'm just
an hour.
talking about people like knowing that it can only be a certain amount of people. It's gonna be chaos outside.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Be scrapping for the first person in line,
Oh man. Yo, comment section. Let us know, y'all. Rocking with the P5? You getting the Xbox? Did you get it pre-ordered? You know, let us know what y'all looking like in the comment section, man. We definitely want to know. Please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. We definitely want you to come back for more. Hit that notification bell, man. Become part of the Noti gang so you can know when we drop the videos and be the first to the heat. You know, we appreciate the love, man. Without further ado, tune in. Until next time, PWB, we out of here.